corner of a Mount Dot, 2-pump Texaco pothole blacktop, tractor and a pastor going corn real slow. Add it all up, then you know. Cause every stop sign's a mark with a shotgun. We pray for rain, man, when we ain't got none. Got a train, trust some name over a 2-lane main. Population sign don't ever change. Every Friday night live by song, home team proud. Swear you'll get out, but it's where they don't lay down. Wrap it all up in a county line that goes all the way around. You got a small town. See you at the DQ at the back parking lot. Paper bag on a cold can so you don't get caught. We find a girl and change the world and never let her go. If this ain't heaven, then it's pretty close. Cause every stop sign's a mark with a shotgun. We pray for rain, man, when we ain't got none. Got a train, trust some name over a 2-lane main. Population sign don't ever change. Every Friday night live by song, home team proud. Swear you'll get out, but it's where they don't lay down. Wrap it all up in a county line that goes all the way around. You got a small town, yeah. You got a small town. There's more trucks and cars, one church, 2 bars. Ain't no doubt where you are. Cause every stop sign's a mark with a shotgun. We pray for rain when we ain't got none. Got a train, trust some name over a 2-lane main. Population sign don't ever change. Every Friday night live by song, home team proud. Swear you'll get out, but it's where they don't lay down. Wrap it all up in a county line that goes all the way around. You got a small town, yeah. You got a small town.
Don't you dare go running down my little town where I grew up, and I won't cuss your city lights. If you ain't ever took a ride around and cruise right through the heart of my town, anything you say would be a lie. We may live our lives a little slower, but that don't mean I wouldn't be proud to show you where I come from. There's an old plowboy out turning up dirt where I come from. There's a preacher man in a cowboy shirt where I come from. Where a couple boys fight in the parking lot. No, nobody's gonna call the cops where I come from. See that door right there? Man, I swear that it ain't never been locked, and I guarantee that it never will. That old man right there in the rocking chair at the courthouse square, I'll tell you now, he could buy your fancy car with $100 bills. Don't let those faded overalls fool you.